Hello again, this is Bryce with Central Florida Dent Repair. Today I'm going to show you how we repaired this damage on this rear door of a Chevy Silverado without doing any kind of painting or body work at the customer's home in a matter of hours, keeping this vehicle 100% original. Nothing changed or altered about it, with the exception of just the moldings, which we're going to replace. Customer is able to pick up some moldings, and you can see the extent of this damage in the reflections here. It's a pretty deep dent. Not something that just pops out. A lot of work involved here in making this look like it never occurred. You can see the trim molding here, how it's got some paint transfer. This was caused by a gas station pillar, to him rubbing against the pillar there with the truck, and we're obviously going to throw those out, get new ones, but there's some paint damage right there, as you can see. And the customer actually had a really good idea that when this repair was all completed on my end, just getting the dent out, we could always shift the moldings up just ever so slightly to cover that paint damage up, rather than, brush touch it with touch-up paint and then him seeing touch-up paint every time he got into his truck. That would alleviate that problem. So no one's ever going to know these trim pieces were shifted up about 1/4 of an inch, and I actually matched both the front door and rear door towards the end. You'll see. We're doing some glue pulling here. You can see the panel released a lot of that damage just with the glue pulling, and then we had a tremendous amount of work just working from the backside of the panel with these tools, and we achieved an amazing result. And this customer was just really blown away with the whole process. And if you can do it this way, boy, this is the way to go. Nothing changed about this vehicle, no Carfax reports. This vehicle remains 100% original, no holes drilled to do the repair. This was all done keeping the vehicle 100% factory, and this car is ready to go back to work with this customer here. So if you have any questions, 386-216-5185, or you can reach me at cfldentrepair.com. Really appreciate you stopping by to take the time to watch. Thank you.